In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your browsing experience in Microsoft Edge by making it easier to focus on what matters most on your screen. This simple adjustment will help increase the visibility of whatever you're focusing on, which can be especially helpful if you often find yourself squinting or losing track of where you are. First things first, go ahead and open Microsoft Edge on your device. Once you've got it open, take a glance at the top right corner of the window. You'll see three small dots arranged vertically. This icon is your gateway to a variety of settings and customizations in Microsoft Edge. Clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll want to find and select Settings. The Settings menu is where you can fine-tune Microsoft Edge to better suit your preferences and needs. After you've clicked into the settings, direct your attention to the panel on the left-hand side of the window. This panel contains various categories that help organize all the settings available to you. What you're looking for here is the Accessibility section. Accessibility houses features that make your browsing experience more inclusive and easier to manage, regardless of any specific needs or challenges you might have. Once you've selected Accessibility, it's time to look for an option labeled Show a High Visibility Outline on the Focused Object. This particular feature is designed to give you a clear, distinct border around whichever element you're currently interacting with or focusing on during your session. The purpose of this feature is to enhance the visibility of the focused object, making it stand out against other elements on the page. To activate this feature, find the toggle button to the right of this option. If the button appears grayed out, the feature is off. Simply click the toggle to turn it on and you'll see it change color, indicating the feature is now active. And there you have it. You're all set. This small yet effective change in your settings will help improve your browsing experience, making it much easier to concentrate and navigate through any web page you're visiting. Whether you're working on a project, reading an article, or just casually browsing, having a clear indication of where your focus is can make all the difference in maintaining efficiency and ease of use. Enjoy your newly enhanced browsing experience with Microsoft Edge. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks to optimize your tech usage. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.